Hello friends, today we are going to talk about an interesting and promising project, Story Protocol, a platform that could become a true revolution in the field of intellectual property. Imagine you are an artist, composer, or writer who has created something brilliant, only to find that this creation has fallen into the hands of artificial intelligence, which starts reworking your masterpiece without your permission. That's how the idea for Story Protocol came about. It all started in the early 2020s when blockchain was gaining momentum and AI began generating texts, music, and images faster than a grandmother bakes pies. The founders of Story Protocol quickly realized that AI was becoming too smart, and the old methods of copyright protection no longer worked. As a result, the idea for a platform that would combine blockchain and intellectual property protection was born. The goal was simple: to give creators the ability to control their works and earn from them, even in an era when AI is just waiting to copy something and make its own remix. Blockchain? What does that have to do with it, you may ask? It's simple. Blockchain is not just about bitcoins and smart contracts, but also about how to protect your creative work. Essentially, blockchain is a huge ledger where ownership of everything is recorded. Now imagine your paintings, songs, and books are recorded in this ledger. No one will be able to steal your idea because every use will be tracked and you'll get your share. Story Protocol has successfully raised a total of $140 million in funding, with the most recent $80 million coming from a Series B round led by A16Z Crypto and Polychain Capital. Other notable investors include Samsung Next, Hashed, Foresight Ventures, and 1111 Media, Paris Hilton's media company. This funding is being used to develop their Layer 1 blockchain focused on tokenizing intellectual property, IP, and ensuring creators are compensated when their work is used, particularly by AI systems. Story Protocol aims to transform the IP space by using blockchain technology to allow creators to register their works as tokens, set usage terms, and track their content's use. This approach is intended to combat the problem of big tech companies profiting from creators' content without proper compensation. You can now actively participate in the development of the project. One of the main activities in the project is setting up a validator node. Our team at Crouton Digital has prepared a simple guide that will help you easily deploy a node using a VPS. We also provide all the necessary RPC endpoints, and our snapshot is updated daily. All relevant links will be posted in the pinned comment. Okay, let's move directly to the setup and installation of the validator node. First, we will prepare the system for working with various tools and utilities. To do this, we run the update command. This will update the list of packages and information about available updates from the repositories and install a set of useful utilities and tools for working in the terminal. Great! Now let's execute the following command to create the directories along the specified path where the Geth and Story Protocol files and binaries will be stored. Now let's proceed with downloading and installing the binary files. To do this, execute the following commands. Download the files, make them executable, and move them to the previously created directory. Then we'll check the installed version of these files. Great! Now let's make sure that the binary files are properly placed in the expected directories by using the following command. Everything is placed correctly. The next step is to add the path to the Geth and Story Protocol binary files to the .bashrc file, which manages environment settings in the terminal, and then reload the file so that the new settings take effect immediately. The next step is to create a new service file for automatically launching the Geth node. Define the parameters and add it to AutoStart. We will then reload the systemd daemon, enable the service to start at boot, and launch the Geth service. Great! Now we need to configure the initial setup for our story node. Enter your moniker, copy, and execute the command. The next step is to download the address book. This file will help your node connect to other nodes in the network. Finally, we just need to configure the story node to run as a service using systemd. We will reload the systemd daemon, enable the service to start at boot, and launch the story service. If you see this output, you need to download a fresh snapshot. To do this, run the following commands and wait for the download to complete. After successfully downloading the snapshot, the node will start, and you will see the following output. The last step will be to run the command to create a validator, for which you will need IP tokens that can be obtained daily from the faucet. Note that to be part of the active set of validators, you will need a very large number of tokens, which is currently quite challenging, considering the faucet is limited to only 1 token per day. That's not the end of activities. You can join the project's Discord and explore all the activities and ecosystem projects. Good luck to everyone from the Crouton digital team.